Today I'm taking you to see one of the largest floor plans right here at the new 55 plus community called Woodland Preserve here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. We're going to see the Sarah. Let's get in there. Well, I'd love to hear what you think about the Sarah model. It is huge, very spacious, big open spaces. If you like to entertain, or maybe you have a lot of family that likes to come visit you from time to time. Doesn't everybody want to visit you when you live in Florida? But this is a great floor plan. Let me know what you think about this one. And this one also does come with a bonus option as well. So if this is something that might fit your budget, maybe your plans, if you're thinking of coming to these areas here in Parrish or Lakewood Ranch or Palmetto, I sure would love to meet up with you and introduce you to all the things that we have to offer here. I'm Catherine Newman. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you next time.